And then what we're gonna do, what we normally do, is we bring him back here and we start taking him up the side.
Closer to where they're supposed to get them?
Yeah. Normally we take up until we get about to the center, then we work him back down if they finally get pitching in.
Okay.
You hear that? Yeah.
I don't care. I'm just being moved. I'm just told where to go.
If you're moving,
I can
just let
fire
me
if it
know.
does this wrong.
If you're moving, just let me know.
All right, let's go.
I'll pretty much just.
Okay, let's tell
I'm
him.
valuable.
Yep. Just keep. We're gonna keep moving. Whoa! Me and Squirrel. Wait, Rashawn. I would say this.
Oh God, I don't fit. There you go.
I don't even think I was in that very well.
Right here, you can watch that other end right there. So if you can watch here, I'll watch here. We'll know which way they're going to go.
Jeremy, stay right there. Okay,
So
good.
call left or right now.
Yep. Sean, we're gonna stay here and see if we can get a bearing on where everybody's going. Oh, I didn't load either. No.
That probably help.
Yeah, go. Stay going.
Go.
Game on, go.
He's coming down the left side. 2, left side.
I'm clear on right so far.
Okay.
Got one.
You got 1.
Hey, I think we should start going this way.
They're all going over here.
Yeah, I say we start going this way.
Going to respawn. He's got a bunch of them dead. So you might start getting some activity. Oh, yeah. Yes.
Where you guys going?
I still got people right here. Hey, Harold, how are you looking?
I see one every 30 seconds.
There's a lot of people over here on the left. Nobody in the center.
Let's go out.
Move outside?
Yeah. Go.
Ready to go across?
Yeah, go.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah, come on.
Music.
John, I'm gonna go back all the way up.
Nobody's in this building?
No, let's just keep them over here.
Huh?
Let's keep them here. I got this door.
Okay, I'm gonna tell them.
Hey, just watch. I'll watch this door. Just watch that one down there.
Yeah, then we'll go get
Yeah, get 2 on each door. Safety kill!
Dang you! I hate you, squirrel. You suck.
He respawned in this building.
Hey, goodbye. Now you gotta respawn in building 2. Yeah, you gotta respawn in building 2. Alright. They're coming up. Don't shoot. They're coming up. They're coming up. Don't shoot. They're coming up. Don't shoot. They're coming up.
John, you got that side clear?
I don't know if that's supposed to go up or whatever.
Hit! Hit! Go, 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 go. John, there's more on 4! Safety. John? Oh. Are we still in here? Safety. John! Okay.
Yeah, only respawn in this building. Cool.
Right that way? Hey, more people are coming in as we go too, so I got the back here. Hey, there's a lot of people heading towards respawn building 1.
Towards building 1?
Yeah.
So we don't want to go that way then.
Hey, let's do this.
We'll touch them way around in this corner and I can hold them off.
Anybody else got one? Let's take this thing.
Let's go this way.
Hey, you stay. Hey, Brian, I'm gonna hold that. You just yell hit if you get out. We're gonna hold this area over here. Go that way, guys. Let's pick up take the bunker.
I got the window. Long shot window.
Hey, there's Sam. You get back there. Where's he at? I think Sam's out, but that doesn't mean he doesn't have a pile of other people. Yeah. Right over here.
Okay. Well. Oh. Got a lot of people this way. Hey. They're all in that by the man door right now. Faster, go. Go. Hey, faster. Faster. the man door again. I'm gonna run up to the man door
I
again.
hear people in the center, so check the center first.
Okay. Hey, check the center and then work your way to the man door. He's gonna go up and do it. We're gonna move him back that way just a little bit, so we're just kind of guarding both entrances to this building. They're checking out the man door right now. I saw a couple come across.
Come in here.
I'm not sure if they got in or not, but they came across. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Door. He came actually this way right here. There's a couple guys in this. I popped one in the face, but
Center. Keep it here.
I say keep him right here because we can move anywhere from here.
If you hear me yell hit, you know I'm moving.
Yeah. This way. Stay right here. Hey, it's just us. Watch this way.
Next, guys. Here you go.
Oh my gosh.
After you left, he started walking like, you watch that door in, it's just us.
Oh, that was fantastic.
I love objective games, but no one plays them.
That's what we're trying to do is keep the game.